could actually see. You may be able to get up in. People might let you.
Yeah, my camera, you can't see no light anyway.
They're freaking out. They can't do shit no more because they all got it on tape.
Here they go. Here they go.
Oh, there they go.
They got the vans over there.
Hamilton's grave right there. He's rolling over. Here they go. Get down, baby.
Somebody.
There's the first one. What a badge of honor. Great job, man. Great job. We love you. I've been talking to that guy all day. He's awesome. What's your name? Right on, man. We love you. Did you loot $400 million from the Federal Reserve? Oh no, that's legal. What's your name?
Bachman.
Right on. Did you loot $400 million from the Federal Reserve? Oh no, that's legal. Sneak in there.
You want to try this?
Yeah, my camera's going dead.
Everything's dead.
Right on, man, you guys. Love you guys. How great are these people? Right on.